Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukua and this is Kukua's Inspiration. So this day I got some items I ordered from my pre-order group from China, and I said why not, let me come on here and share this good news with you all. So let's see what we have in here. This is a group that orders items from China very cheap compared to the market price. Yes, it is very cheap compared to market price. So what do we have here? First item is smartwatch. Yes, I said smartwatch. I didn't say Apple Watch. I know. Please don't come and tell me this is not original. This is not Apple Watch. I know. But this equally does the job for me. It checks my heart rate, my steps, my calories, and all that. Besides, it's very cheap too. So if you want something cheap like this, you can join any pre-order group and buy from China. This watch comes with 2 stripes, iPod, watch, and a charger for the watch, charger for the iPod, and it also comes with 2 manuals, one for the watch and one for the iPod as well. Trust me, this is not expensive at all compared to the market price. Yes, this when you go to market, you get it at least 150, 200, 250 cedis. But when you buy it from this pre-order group, this is less than 100. I didn't pay more than, no, I didn't even pay up to 100 cedis. So consider joining any pre-order group to buy things cheap from the market, from China, sorry. Next in here is this slippers I ordered. Let me tell you the reason why I'm laughing. I ordered this in black with size 41. Tell me why they have to give me white with size 40. This is the case of what I ordered versus what I got. Anyway, this slippers is very comfy. I tell you, I said let me put it on and see how it will go, but I think I can manage this one. It's very soft. So this is me modeling to show you how comfortable and soft this slippers is. This is equally cheap, my dear. This is very cheap compared to the market price. Next, I have this tummy wrap. I ordered this for a colleague, but as it is now, I think I have to keep it because it's been long. I ordered this in January, and this is the time. It's not their fault. I asked that they keep it so that all my items will come together before they delivered it to me. So I'll keep this one too as well. Next is this laundry tablet. I know all of us know what laundry tablet is. You use it to wash. You throw it into your washing machine, add your clothes, and you start washing. I got this one too, very cheap. I think I paid this 20 cedis or 25 cedis for this. This is supposed to be 100 pieces. I wasn't sure, so I said, why? Let me count this and see before they will give me 50 tablets and say it's 100 pieces. So I said, okay, let me count. So I started counting, and lo and behold, it's 100. You see, it as it is more like this, it's 100. So my dear, I'm just I brought this to inspire you and encourage you to join any pre-order group and buy things in bulk, which is very cheap. So these are all the items I have in here. Like I always say, stay dedicated because it's not going to happen overnight. And see you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.